Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amirul Ashraf bin Jeffrey. My student ID number is 202309010557. Okay, before this, I want to make an introduction about the assignment that what we do. So basically, this is about this presentation provide a comprehensive analysis of BASF, Malaysia Sdn Bhd, the Malaysia subsidiary of the world's largest chemical producer. BASF SE, we will explore the company backgrounds, examine the profound impact of 10 key global economic trends on its operations, and propose strategic recommendations for navigating this complex landscape. So the insight herein are designed to illustrate how these multinational corporations can leverage its strengths to turn global challenge into sustainable growth opportunities within the Malaysian and ASEAN context, ensuring its continued leadership in the chemical industry. So the company background part 1, BASF Malaysia Sdn Bhd is a key subsidiary of BASF SE operating in Malaysia for over 3 decades and establishing itself as a cornerstone of the nation's chemical industry. The company missions, we create chemistry for a sustainable future, is central to its local corporations, which involves supplying innovative solutions to vital sectors such as agriculture, automotive, construction, and electronics. Its strategic presence align with the broader BASF objective to grow within the dynamic Asia-Pacific region, leveraging Malaysia's strategic location and establish industrial infrastructure to serve as a pivotal hub for the Asian market. Furthermore, this is a part 2 1. Furthermore, the operational footprint of BASF in Malaysia is significantly anchored by the BASF Petronas Chemicals Sdn Bhd joint venture with which operates one of the region's most integrated chemical production sites in Gebeng, Pahang. This facility produces critical intermediates like acrylic monomers and oxo products that are essential for downstream industries. Beyond production,
Hi, hello, my name is Hari Haramenan, son of Ramasamy. My student ID 202309010608. Now I will presentation about company background part 3. BASF Malaysia has consistently demonstrated a strong commitment to sustainability and innovation, recently expanding its animal nutrition headquarters in Penang and focusing on circular economy projects like chemical recycled plastic. These initiatives are strategically aligned with both global corporate sustainability targets and Malaysia national policies, including the 12th Malaysia Plan and National Energy Transition Roadmap. Through this synergy of global expertise and local partnership, BASF Malaysia positioned itself not just as a chemical supplier, but as a vital enabler of sustainable industry development in the region. Year 2022. The globalizing economy presents BASF Malaysia with a complex set of influence from key trends. Firstly, digitalization and Industry 4.0 offer opportunities for operational efficiency and new digital service but demand heavy investment and introduce cybersecurity risks to its integrated production cities. Kumar and Rani 2021. Secondly, the sustainability and ESG imperative creates strong demand for its green product portfolios but stimulates pressure the company to decarbonize its inherently energy intensive manufacturing process, a significant challenge in a developing energy market by Ling 2023. Thirdly, ongoing supply chain distribution and reconfiguration threaten the steady flow of raw materials and increase logistical costs, forcing a evolution of resellers through portions recognitions Ivano and Dolgi 2022. Fourthly, geopolitical volatility and trade policy shift, including US China tensions and regional agreements like CPTPP, can disrupt trade flows of chemical and simulation, create both new market access and intensify competitive pressure for BASF operation in Malaysia. World Trade Corporation 2023.
Fifth, the transition to circular economy pressure BASF to invest in recycled and bio-based technologies, while also opening new value streams from waste and sustainable feedstock that align with national goals. Sixth, the rising focus of regionalization presents a strategic opportunity to BASF Malaysia to strengthen in position as a key production and innovation hub for ASEAN, making the Gebeng site more critical for serving regional demand reliably compared to more distant global facilities. 7. The global talent and skill gap, especially in fields like data science and green engineering, means BASF Malaysia must compete instantly for skilled professionals, where failure could directly hinder the innovation and digital transformation ambition. 8. Fluctuation in global energy prices directly squeeze the profit margin of its energy intensive operation, creating economic volatility and incentivizing a strategic shift toward energy efficiency and alternative sources to ensure long-term cost stability. 9. Accelerate innovation in green chemistry poses a disruptive threat to traditional product line but also provide a platform for BASF Malaysia to leverage global R&D and introduce leading sustainable solutions to ASEAN market, securing for mover advantage. 10. Shifting consumer preference and regulatory landscape demand greater supply chain transparency and sustainable product from B2B customer, while involving regulation on plastic and carbon require constantly adaptation and can impact the marketability for existing product line. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Nabil bin Abdul Razak. My student ID is 202-2050-10356. Today I will present about proposed strategies. To build agile supply chains, Malaysia should enhance real-time visibility using digital twin technology and diversify its supply base across Asia while increasing strategic stocks for critical material to mitigate disruption risk. Ivanov and Dolgui, 2022. For geopolitical navigation, establishing a dedicated market intelligence unit to monitor trade policies is crucial, as is deepening its local integration toward the Petronas joint venture to reinforce its status as a domestic stakeholder and optimize its trade strategy within agreement like the CPTPP, World Trade Organization 2023. To build a gas supply chains, BASF Malaysia should exchange real-time visibility using digital twin technology and diversify its supplier base across Asia while increasing strategy stocks for critical materials to mitigate disruption risks. Ivanov and Dolgui 2022. For geopolitical navigation exhibition at the market intelligence unit to monitor trade policies is crucial as is depending its local integration top the Petronas joint venture to reinforce its status as domestic stakeholder and optimize its trade strategy within agreements like the CPTPP, World Trade Organization 2023. To pioneer the circular economy, investing in a flagship chemical recycling plant in Gebeng and collaborating with local waste management partner for feedstock would position BASF as regional leader in sustainability. Gishelini ETL 2021. To consolidate its regional hub strategy, the company should lobby for and invest in expanding the Gebeng site to host more production of high-performance chemicals and propose to host more global R&D function in Malaysia, making the subsidiary indispensable within the corporate network. MC Kensei and Company 2023. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ahmad Haziq Ashraf bin Ahmad Amli. My student ID 2023-090-10563. Proposed strategy 7-8 for talent strategy, strengthening partnership with leader Malaysian University to co-divide curricula and create internship pipeline is essential alongside launching internal upskilling program and offering competitive benefit to attract and retain top talent in green chemistry and data analysis to address energy volatility. A comprehensive energy audit should be conducted to fund efficiency project, while the company must active engage with government and energy provider to advocate for and participate in local green energy project for a more stable, cost-effective supply. International Energy Agency 2023. Strategy 910 to foster innovation, establishing an open innovation challenge to solve regional sustainability problem can attract startup and academic while increasing R&D funding for local adoption for global technology like carbon capture. And finally, for regulator engagement, BASF Malaysia should adopt a proactive stance by participating in policy dialogue with the government on issues like plastic waste and carbon pricing, and by transparently publishing local sustainability report to build trust and shape a favorable business environment. Thank you.
In conclusion, BASF Malaysia Sedan Berhad operates at the critical intersection of a dynamic global industry and the evolution Asian economic landscape. The 10 global trends analyzed are deeply interconnected, creating a web of challenges that also presents an opportunity for a company with BASF's resources and strategic processing. The proposed strategic understanding the holistic approach that leverage in global H&D strong local partnership and industry production hub while demonstrating agility and foresight in digitalization, sustainability, and talent management. Ultimately, by embracing these strategic pillars, BASF Malaysia can effectively transform external pressure into powerful catalysts for innovation and sustainable growth. This journey will not only secure in competitive advantage but also strongly affirm its commitment to its corporate purpose of creating chemistry for a sustainable future within the specific context of Malaysia and the wider ASEAN community. Through the strategic navigation, BASF Malaysia is poised to remain a trusted and indispensable partner in the region's industrial and sustainable development for the foreseeable future.